Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Instagram post. So as you can see that I have this post right here, which I have uploaded previously, and I have not added any music to it. So if I want to add music to this particular post, what I can do is simply click on these three dots, and then I have this option which says edit. Click on the edit option, and now here in the blue text you can see this option which says add music. So simply click on this add music button, and then it will ask you to choose any audio. So you may choose any trending audio or any suitable audio of your preference. So for example, I choose this audio, for example, let's say this one. And then once you have selected this particular audio, you need to click on this arrow icon right here. And now here you will be defining the length of the audio that you want to show share in this music. So for example, I want the length to be right here. And then once you are ready, simply click on this tick icon at the top right corner. So here you can see that the music has been successfully added. Simply click on this tick mark icon again and let the process await. Just wait for the process to happen and just simply refresh your profile in case the changes did not show up. So if you will open the post again, you can see that the music is present. So if I unmute this post, you can see that the music is playing. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.